going on, guys? This is a Python project you can do. Python projects for beginners and advanced. PyGame. It's an HDMI cord. An HDMI cord. Software framework. Ready to be upgraded, modified, improved, developed. And is also hardware ready to be made into a real HDMI cord. Here's the code. Pause and copy the code. Pause the video and copy the code. Code studies. Study the code. Study the program. That's it. Let's run it. Let's actually check if it's working for real. It checks if the HDMIs are working for real, and if they do, they both glow green at the ends. Everything is working. They both glow up green at the ends. They both go green at the ends. It checks if it's actually working, the HDMI cord, for real. Check if it's actually working for real. Working. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next time.